Hey guys, this is the sound test for my horn tweeter as I upload earlier the video. So I'm going to test it using just a small amplifier, and this is the coil that was from top the head. Couldn't find the coil as you can see in the earlier video. So this is the sound test, see how it performed, the horn tweeter. This is the head. I bought it a car one, so this is the one I modify it. Yeah, I actually that one. And the problem with the other one is the wire. As you can see here, it snapped. So I just joined a piece of wire and it works. Actually, my assembled one is better than this one. So I disconnect and put this one in. That's the one, it's working. And the other one, we try the other one. The problem with the other one is just the wire. There's no magnet. It's just that inside the horn tweeter. The other one, it's got magnet on it. So I replaced the head. I just glue it, and that's how it performs. I put two. Pretty loud, eh? So I haven't put the filter if I'm going to hook up to the big amp. So I have to put the filter, mylar or capacitor or something. So yeah, it works. You don't need to buy a coil, you just need to modify it from the head by just use this tweeter, 500 watts, a car tweeter, and I have to put this in the box, so it works. Thanks for watching, hope you like it. Put a like and you share it and you subscribe. Thank you very much.